Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the world of academia. In today's video, we will discuss the top strategies for writing a dissertation discussion chapter that gets published. The discussion chapter is a critical part of your dissertation, as it provides an opportunity to interpret and analyze your findings. So let's dive in and learn about the strategies that will help you create a discussion chapter that stands out and increases your chances of getting published. Connect your findings to the research questions. The first strategy is to clearly connect your findings to the research questions posed at the beginning of your study. Start by summarizing your key findings, and then discuss how they align with or deviate from your initial expectations. Explain the implications of your findings and how they contribute to the existing body of knowledge. Remember to be objective and avoid over-interpreting your results. Provide a comprehensive analysis. The second strategy is to provide a comprehensive analysis of your findings. This means going beyond a simple description and delving into the underlying meaning and significance of your results. Consider the patterns, trends, and relationships that emerge from your data. Discuss possible explanations for unexpected findings and consider alternative interpretations. Support your analysis with relevant MEM literature and theoretical frameworks. Address limitations and future directions. The third strategy is to address the limitations of your study and suggest future directions for research. No study is perfect, and it's important to acknowledge any constraints or challenges you encountered. Discuss how these limitations may have influenced your findings and propose ways to overcome them in future studies. Additionally, identify gaps in the literature that your research has uncovered and suggest avenues for further exploration. Compare and contrast with previous research. The fourth strategy is to compare and contrast your findings with previous research in your field. This demonstrates your awareness of the existing body of knowledge and adds depth to your discussion. Identify similarities, differences, or contradictions between your results and previous studies. Analyze any discrepancies and offer explanations or potential reasons for the variations. This not only strengthens your argument, but also situates your research within the broader scholarly conversation. Provide a clear and concise conclusion. The fifth and final strategy is to provide a clear and concise conclusion to your discussion chapter. Summarize the key findings, their significance, and the main points discussed throughout the chapter. Avoid introducing new information or raising new research questions in the conclusion. Instead, reiterate the main contributions of your study and emphasize its value to the field. End on a strong note that leaves a lasting impression on the reader. Congratulations! You now know the top strategies for writing a dissertation discussion chapter that gets published. By applying these strategies, you can create a discussion chapter that is comprehensive, well-analyzed, and meaningful to the field. Connect your findings to the research questions, provide a comprehensive analysis, address limitations, compare with previous research, and conclude with clarity. Remember to support your arguments with relevant literature and maintain a balanced perspective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less.